Have you ever thought about growing exotic fruits in your backyard? Picture the allure of these unique delicacies, their unparalleled tastes, incredible health benefits, and the sheer joy of nurturing them from seed to fruit. Imagine the satisfaction of plucking a ripe dragon fruit or a juicy guava from your own garden. The first step is choosing the right fruit for your backyard. Consider your climate, the type of soil you have, and the growth requirements of different exotic fruits. Some love the heat, others prefer cooler climates. Some need sandy soil, others thrive in clay. Remember, the right choice of fruit is the first step towards a fruitful harvest. Once you've chosen your fruit, it's time to plant and take care of it. Start by preparing the soil, ensuring it's nutrient-rich and well-drained. Plant your seed or seedling, then give it a good watering. Regular maintenance is key. This includes timely watering, pruning, and pest control. Remember, your plant's health is your wealth. Proper care of your plant can ensure a healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting and enjoying your exotic fruit. Knowing when your fruit is ripe is key. Look for vibrant color and a slight give when gently pressed. Harvest carefully to avoid bruising. Enjoy fresh or add a tropical twist to your favorite dish. There's nothing quite like the taste of a fruit you've grown yourself. Growing exotic fruits in your backyard is an enjoyable and rewarding hobby. Remember, choose the right fruit, provide proper care, and savor the harvest. Why not give it a try? It's a fruitful adventure waiting to unfold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!